And that's the ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So open first Muviz Edge application, then select one from the available themes. You could tap here to apply or to edit the theme. If you want to switch the backgrounds, you should swipe to the up or to the down by this way. Tap to apply the backgrounds if you want. You could also hide the music controls after 10 seconds, to don't hide them, to activate or turn off to show notifications and date on the LED screen, and to show battery status always while charging or never. Let's go back, tap to X icon, switch LED to the settings, tap to always on display. Here on the right upper corner we got the switcher to activate or turn off always on display option, and also we could just tap here to always while charging or music. We could also decrease and increase the brightness level, to change the timeout from 5 minutes to never, to use low power after, to change the time, also to change the screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap, to close it with a fingerprint on screen off, to set a shadow start and time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize the option on our ZTE Blade phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.